certificate. Here it is. Next stop, pet reception at the Eurotunnel.
Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami.
All done, unbelievably quick, less than 5 minutes, straight through pet reception. All you need to do is take the pre-printed hanger that you've been given at the self-check-in and then take all the information with your animal health certificate straight through to the pet reception, and they issue you with your boarding pass to get on the train. So unbelievable, 5 minutes, back to the van.
Bonjour mes amis, nous sommes en France. Nous allons à la camping car park à Itchfield.
So here we are on a beautiful air in northern France. This will do very nicely, and I'll just show you the electric setup. This is a typical post sitting on the camping car parks. Yeah, straight plug-in, no 2-pin connector, straight universal continental plug-in. So I don't need an adapter there. And you'll see inside I put a mains tester in. I've got 3 lights, which tells me I have no reverse polarity issues. So we're good to go. All powered up, time to get the kettle on.
Since Brexit, you're limited as to what you can take food-wise into the EU. You can't take in meat and dairy. So this week I've been trying out some vegan dishes. Now we're not vegan and we don't have any intention of turning vegan, but these are great food things that you can take, that you can do really quite easily in the van.
How cool is this? Jurassic Park, Jules Verne, 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea, Harry Potter, Aristotle, Lupin, Jumanji, Star Wars.
I'm impressed with the Harry Potter.
Yeah, you like that, don't you?
I like Harry Potter.
Yeah. I'm not sure this character is here, but maybe it's just a general person sat in the book with no particular relevance, but still pretty cool. You've got to love a power tool. Man's best friend.
Very happy when he's got he's got his window hoover in his hand, he's very happy.
So ready, Pops? Are we ready, baby? You all ready? Yes, we're good to go. Have you enjoyed it here? No? Alright then. We'll try and find somewhere more to your liking. Good morning. From a little village just north of Bordeaux. Second night in France at a camping car parks. Been rather a long day yesterday, in fairness, but worth it. Jumped off a few miles. We should hit just north of Biarritz today. We're staying on a camping car park there again, the second one of the trip. We think they're good. We'll tell you a little bit more about them.
That's been another excellent night on a camping car park. And if you've never used a camping car park before, they're really straightforward. You can see the quality of them. The last 2 we've used have been tarmac surfaces with electric, grey water, fresh water and chemical emptying as well. There's 3 ways you can get a camping car park card. You can do it online before you travel, or you can ring their customer service line and they guarantee that they'll get the card to you within 48 hours. Or when you arrive at a camping car park of your choice, you can go up to the barrier and it will actually, in the chosen language that you're using to that you want to speak, it will give you all the instructions that you need to get a card. You can then charge the card with the required amount of euros for your stay, and then it will just automatically let you through the barrier. When you use the site for either the 24 or the 48 hours, whatever the maximum is that you can stay on your way out, then you just put the same camping car park card under the barrier, it scans it, and then it takes the money from your account. We've never had any complaints about camping car parks. They've been efficient, everything's worked when we've got to them, and we're really happy with them. They tend to be in quite nice areas. This one's in a small town, so you can walk to the local shops and use everything that's there. So yeah, we're very happy with this. If you need any more information, we'll put the links below, and then you can read it at your leisure, so you can see exactly what a camping car park is, where they are, and exactly how to use them.
The most important thing in France is to carry plenty of adapters. And this is actually, I've been carrying this adapter for a while. It's the first time I've actually used it. It just shows you how you get different configurations on the taps. So what I do is I carry a big bag of adapters, all different sorts. Quite a few pinched from my dad over the years, to be fair, bless him. Big caravanner, no longer with us sadly, but I raided his kit on occasions. And there is the lovely H.
Good morning.
Doing a sterling job on the water. But it's a good facilities here. Good setup. That's the chemical toilet emptying, which I'm going to use in a minute. Just a question of pulling it up. The only thing you can get wrong on these is that there is two sides to it, grey and black one side and fresh water this side, so I don't mix the water supplies up, and happy days. So we pulled up to our third camping car parks here at Lavewen, which is just a little bit north of Biarritz on the west coast of France. It's a beautiful day, reaching 30 degrees today, which is quite surprising for the late October. This is a lovely place, lovely beaches. There are some armaments and battle positions that are there from the war, which I've captured and I'll show you. And yeah, it's a lovely day. Actually, it's so hot that we're having to curb it really, because we need to look after Poppy, but we've hosed her down in water and she's got a cool jacket on, but we're going to make his way back to the van now. But it's a lovely place, and again, camping car parks have come up trumps for us.
Good morning. We were up at what's called the Crack of Sparrows again this morning to get on our way. We've now passed the border from France into Spain, and we're heading towards Pamplona, just going round the Pyrenees. It's going to be a bit of a longer day today for us. Not entirely certain where we're going to be stopping, but we're making good progress on our way towards Calpe.
Well, I'm sorry to say we're stuck in what looks like a serious road accident now. Not that we're involved. We're in the queues. There's lorries have stopped on both sides of the carriageway, and an air ambulance is just landing ahead of us. So police are in attendance, so there's nothing for us to do but pray a good decent outcome for those involved. But it's not what you want to be when you're travelling. But that's where it is. So we just hope it's not as severe as it first seems, but they don't normally send air ambulances out for nothing, so we'll have to see. Not sure whether we'll ever find out either, but yeah. It's an Airbus H135 helicopters for those that are interested. Do have some expert knowledge on board.
It's got a fenestrum on the back of it, which means it's got an enclosed tail rotor. Not as quiet as some of their other helicopters, but it's got a lot of payload for a lot of medical equipment. So it's a good choice, used predominantly all over Europe, mainly because it's an Airbus one and not one of the American helicopters, so easily maintained, great for the job.
Helicopter nerd.
Oh yeah. Oh, this is not good.
Well, we've arrived at our park up for the night. It's a free air, another one of a camper contact app finds. Never let us down in Spain, that app really. We've been quite lucky with it. Update with the accident. We haven't really searched for the detail, but when we went through the actual crash scene, you couldn't imagine how anybody would get out of that. So we've it's been a bit of a sombre end to the day, really. It's not what you want to see, and not that you want anybody to have to experience, and our thoughts and prayers go with the families and people involved, but we've a little bit of experience in this area, and it's hard to imagine how anybody could have got out of that. But anyway, we're here, and we're going to have a bit of tea and chill out, and then tomorrow we're going to head down to the coast at Calpe.
Good morning. It's a beautifully sunny day here in Spain this morning. It's going to get to a balmy 27 degrees later. We're on our way to Calpe today, to a very nice site on the seafront, which we're really looking forward to, and we think you'll really enjoy it as well. First of all, I need to go shopping, and there's a really big hypermarket behind us, so I'm going to stock up on everything that we need.